Hello, and welcome to Achiever's Desk Priority Matrix web app video. We start by making a copy of the app script. This copy the app script into my own Google account. Let us check each file in the app script before deploying it. To deploy, we choose New Deployment. It will ask us to choose deployment type. Make sure you deploy it as web app. Choose to execute it as means as your Google account. This ensures that all the files are stored in your drive and mails are sent as you. But first, let's correct the app script name. Where it asks who has access, we will choose only myself. This will make web app private to me. You can choose other option, but it is always advisable to keep it restricted to avoid any misuse. Click on Deploy. If it's first time, it will ask you to authorize the script with your account before you can deploy it. Authorization flow is redacted and not captured for security reason. Authorization flow is required since the script will create and access files from your Google Drive. Additionally, authorization is needed since the script uses your email to send the mail with Priority Matrix PDF. Once done, you can copy the web app URL and voila, you are ready. Paste the URL in browser and let it load. This should load the web app. Take a break and congratulate yourself since you just deployed your personal web app. Let us start by creating our first project. We will call it Vacation. Our vacation project is ready. Next, we need to create all the tasks for vacations. First task for vacation will be to plan itineraries. Other tasks are to book flight tickets, call hotels to get offers, list items for packing. Basically, all the tasks which are jumbled up. Once we list all the tasks, we will move them to different quadrants. Let us do the same for other tasks one after another. For each task, we will check if they are important, that is, if the task is of high value and help us achieve primary goal. So yes, planning itineraries is really important, so we will check the star icon. Next, let's check if it is urgent, which means is it time-bound and should be dealt at earliest. Again, we need to plan itineraries since other tasks are dependent on it, so we will check urgent icon and click submit, which moved it to do it now quadrant. We will apply the same exercise for each task individually based on its own merit. If it is neither important nor urgent, then it goes into eliminate it quadrant. We always has option to move the task back to task bucket and recheck and change the quadrant. Let us move book ticket to delegate it quadrant. Means we can assign it to someone else. We have option to soft delete an item if we want to skip it, usually used in eliminate it quarter. Similarly, we can mark a task completed once we have finished it. Let us save it. This will create or update the spreadsheet with Matrix. Next, we will try to download the matrix as PDF. The PDF will be downloaded in an instant. PDF comes with 2 pages. First one with task list. Second page have the priority matrix. Now let us send the priority matrix as an email attachment. Once we click on email button, it pops up the option to provide emails to whom mails be sent. Email was sent successfully, and it has PDF attached. It's the same PDF which we downloaded moments ago. US President Dwight D. Eisenhower famously said, "What is important is seldom urgent, and what is urgent is seldom important." This priority matrix is based on this very principle. We should focus on only do it now quadrant for maximum efficiency. Schedule it for later. The task in this quadrant is bound to move to do it now bucket sooner or later. Delegate it holds the tasks which you can assign to others. Eliminate it is something which we should not worry about. Let us delete this example project and clean the slate. It asks for a confirmation, and once we confirms, our data is deleted from spreadsheet. Thank you for watching Priority Matrix video by Achievers Desk.